everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a gorgeous 1965 Oldsmobile 442. Great car, guys. Bought this down in South Carolina. Older gentleman that's had it. Neat car. And again, I'm shooting videos. If you're watching a bunch of these today, matter of fact, I got 2 more I'm going to try to get done in the next 30 minutes, see how good I am. Well, these are just abbreviated videos, trying to just give you kind of a quick look at them. When I get back in town, I'll try to do some better ones if they're still here, but trying to give you a chance to take a good look at the cars the best I can right now. But real 442 car. Factory black car with white interior. This is the factory color combination. I put some miles on this car. I drove it a couple of times while I was down there. Good car. And again, my guys literally wiped this thing down, guys. It's right from the car show, so it's not detailed. They're still dusty. So that's not their fault. These cars will get detailed. Chrome and stainless is nice on the car. Very original car, I would say. This is older paint, but still very nice. Probably the most impressive thing about this car is how flat the paint is being black and how straight this car is down the sides. Again, chrome and stainless is nice. Factory tinted glass. I love the color combo. Again, there's that stuff's going to wipe off. You're going to see little smudges. We're just trying to knock it out, knock these videos out as fast as we can. Good, solid, straight car. Drove out awesome. Really hits the road good. That tail panel's nice. Car's clean as can be underneath. Again, just a little dust, guys. Look how straight this thing is. That thing is just laser straight down the sides. It's got the bias-ply red lines on it with the factory hubcaps. I'll try it like that for a while. I really want to put a set of wheels on this car, but previous owner had a meltdown when I said that. He reminded me how hard these are to get and that they're original. Look how nice this stuff is. I mean, it's really a good car. He reminded me how hard those wheel covers are to find and stuff like that, but he's adamant about leaving it original. Pretty car right there. Original 400, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. The air will kick on. It's just a little, but we're gonna have to charge it. Factory Harrison radiator. Again, clean. Car went down the road just as straight as can be. Factory chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Automatic transmission. Just a good car, guys. And that car is just straight as can be. Other than a couple of little blemishes, which my guys will kind of, they'll go through and brush touch that stuff. There's not a whole lot to really pick at on the car. Great car. We will charge the air. That'll probably clean out, I think. Chrome remote mirror. I think that works too. I remember right that. No, I'm sorry. This is not the remote. Oh, it's a Falcon that remote mirror. A-pillar chrome is nice. Again, that stuff will clean up. Door handles are nice. You can see how nice the seams are on the doors. Same thing. That driver's seat is a little broke down. I'm gonna have Don from DNA come over and repad it, refoam it. New floor mats are on the way. Ordered them today. I mean, the carpets are, you're going to see the carpets are dusty and dirty. A couple little cracks you noticed in the steering wheel. Gorgeous dash. 60,754. That's supposed to be the actual miles on this car. AM radio works. Dual exhaust, factory rear axle, no big gear. Like I say, just cruised it. The old bias-ply spares in there. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. And as I'm gone, like I say, the guys will they will get them detailed up. We have not had a chance to do anything but wipe them down. Clean underneath. Just a good car. Again, factory color combination. Thought that was super cool. Dash is really nice. This is just a good, honest, straight old car right here. You've heard me say that before. This kind of car we've been selling since '78, man. Just a good, straight old car. We'll run around here and fire this thing up. Tell you what, it did that all weekend long. Turned the key, fired right up. Yeah, I think the white. I think it's. I think it's this switch. I turned them on and they came on, but that little switch there is not working. Again, the radio does work. Just got to get a station. Blower motor worked. We will charge the AC. If you're seeing that, it's just little spots on the windshield from the guys wiping it down. Spots, I should say, they missed wiping it down. Oh, we don't have some headlights on and stuff. I know the dash lights worked. Tail lights work. Just as sweet as can be. Oh, we got a headlight out. Again, guys, make sure you keep your track of our website. You can do that at southernmotors.com, and definitely subscribe to our YouTube page here, and have a great day, folks.